Xiaomi 17, a new era of power and performance. Xiaomi continues to push the boundaries of smartphone innovation, and its latest flagship, the Xiaomi 17, is a testament to that commitment. Packed with powerful internals, an eye-catching display, and premium build quality, the Xiaomi 17 is built for those who demand the very best from their mobile devices. At first glance, the Xiaomi 17 captivates with its sleek design and a vibrant 6.6-inch OLED display. With a high resolution of 1200 by 2670 pixels and an impressive 465 ppi density, the screen promises stunning visuals. Features like Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and a 144Hz refresh rate enhance the overall viewing experience, whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or simply scrolling through content. The punch-hole display design and shatterproof glass add to both the elegance and durability of the phone. Photography enthusiasts will be pleased with the Xiaomi 17's robust camera setup. It houses a triple 50MP rear camera array equipped with optical image stabilization, OIS, allowing for crisp and steady shots in various lighting conditions. Whether you're capturing landscapes or close-up portraits, this camera system delivers remarkable detail. On the front, the 50MP selfie camera ensures your self-portraits and video calls remain sharp and vibrant. Advanced features like 8K video recording at 30 frames per second and the inclusion of Lighthunter 900 imaging technology highlight Xiaomi's focus on cutting-edge imaging performance. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 17 is powered by a capable octa-core processor paired with a substantial 12GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking, fast app loading, and lag-free performance, even with demanding applications. With 256GB of internal storage, users have ample space for apps, media, and files, although there's no option for memory card expansion. Connectivity is another strong suit of the Xiaomi 17. It supports a wide array of modern technologies, including 5G, VoLTE, VO 5G, Bluetooth version 6.0, NFC, and Wi-Fi, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Additional features like USB-C version 3.2 and an IR blaster reflect Xiaomi's attention to functional versatility. One of the standout aspects of the Xiaomi 17 is its massive 7000 mAh battery. This powerhouse of a battery ensures all-day usage, even with heavy activity. Moreover, Xiaomi includes cutting-edge charging options, 120W fast charging, 50W wireless charging, and even 10W reverse charging, making it a true leader in power efficiency and convenience. Overall, the Xiaomi 17 blends top-tier hardware with refined software in a stylish package. It's an ideal choice for tech enthusiasts, mobile gamers, and power users who expect premium performance from their smartphone. With its robust features and futuristic design, the Xiaomi 17 sets a high benchmark in the flagship smartphone segment.